everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram game not showing. So Instagram game is a new feature on Instagram where you can play games through your DMs. So now without any further delay, let me show you how you can fix your problem. So first of all, launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your device if it's an iOS or an Android device. Now once you are here, go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Here we go. Now tap on the app that is on top. Now once you are here, make sure that you don't see the option of update instead of open. If you see the option of update, make sure to update your Instagram app to its latest version. As Instagram Games is a new feature on the app, you may not get it if your application is not updated. Now let's jump to step number 2. Open settings on your mobile device. Now once you are here, scroll down and tap on the option of General. Now scroll down below and tap on the option of iPhone storage. Now once you are here, scroll down below and search for Instagram app. Once you see the app, tap open the application. Here we go. Now with that, you'll come across this page. Now simply tap on Offload app. Now tap on Offload app again. By doing this step, you'll be able to clear cache from Instagram app. Now wait for a few minutes and tap on Reinstall app. This may take some time, so you may have to wait a while. Now, after the application has been reinstalled, just simply open the app and check whether the games feature is working or not on your Instagram application. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.